What's the meaning of ceiling rose? Ceiling rose. Ceiling rose.
Ceiling rose. Ceiling rose. A ceiling rose is a decorative element that is typically installed at the point where a light fixture meets the ceiling. It usually consists of a circular plate that is affixed to the ceiling, with cables running through it to power the light fixture. The purpose of a ceiling rose is both functional and aesthetic, as it can be used to conceal wiring and add visual interest to a room. Overall, a ceiling rose is a simple yet effective way to elevate the look of a light fixture and enhance the overall ambience of a space.